Want to build a successful career in finance, but don't know where to start? Or maybe you're already in the finance industry and want to level up your skills. Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing WallStreetMojo membership, your all-access pass to mastering finance. With just a one-time payment, you get full access to expert-led courses. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure learning anytime, anywhere. Why is this membership a game changer? Comprehensive learning. You gain expertise in all major finance domains. Learn at your own pace. No deadlines, no fixed schedules. Study whenever it suits you. Taught by industry experts. Learn from professionals with 50+ years of combined experience. Trusted by thousands of finance professionals worldwide. Join a community of finance professionals leveling up their careers.
I highly recommend.
Help me elevate my skills.
How the concepts will be applied in a real valuations.
In-depth, non-in-depth. The practical hands-on experience.
Totally worth it.
It's been very exceptional. Very concise.
Quality and the structure of the.
And the best part? You get access to 50+ courses. Plus, you'll earn a certificate for every course you complete. Imagine these skills on your resume. Whether you're preparing for investment banking, equity research, corporate finance, or financial planning, this membership gives you everything you need to land your dream job. Thousands have already joined and are now working in top financial firms. Now it's your turn. So what are you waiting for? Take control of your career today. Join now.